front of me. Oops. Oops. I was hiding it. Oh, hi guys. So the first of the English strawberries have arrived in the stores. Yeah, I got it. We're not talking about those lovely red things right now. We're talking about another lovely red thing, which is sweet vine ripened tomatoes. And we got these 23p a packet. So thank you very much. Quite happy to have those. Nothing wrong with them. They just obviously needed to get new stock out on the shelf. So we're going to put these in a little thing. I'm going to bring you down here so you can see what I'm doing. Actually, yeah, that's probably the best idea. Come down. Get down here. Okay, so we've grabbed our tomatoes. We've put a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper over the top. It's going in the oven now at gas mark 5, which is 190 or 200, I don't know, but have a look down below and it will tell you what temperatures they're going on. So that's going in the oven right now. Okay, now in our boiling water we're going to put some spelt tagliatelle. Done. And all we're going to add to that water now is a little bit of salt, and that's it. Don't need any oil or anything weird like that. I'm just going to get a couple of good pinches of salt in there. And let it go. There we go. Tagliatelle. Woo. Nice little pasta steamer. Nothing like it in the world. Right. That back in there. Ta-da! Yum. Okay, so next we're going to cut off the ends of these spring onions. We're going to chop them up nicely. Grab some of this beautiful basil. Oof. There we go. I'll chop that. There we go. Those, grab our pot with pasta in it, going straight in here, like that. That's it. Now this here is the basic option of the mayo that we made yesterday, the plant-based mayo. This is a very basic one. I'm going to use that. Ooh, square piece, come on, behave yourself, as our sauce. Don't need loads, just enough so that we can coat everything. So we don't want it to be overly creamy or claggy or anything like that. We just want it to be nice and have a little bit of movement on it. And that's it, and we just set that aside now until our tomatoes are ready. Simple. Okay, so our pasta is done. Ooh, it's warm. I gave it a very, very quick bit of a, you know, thing. Got pasta going. Get some of that on there. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's plenty for later on. And then I just finished off the tomatoes in the gorilla. The gorilla did it. The gorilla did it. So, oh, yum. We got some yummy tomatoes right here. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to grab some of these and we're going to go clunk right there. Yeah, I'm all good. Okay guys, so it's really, really hot. I'm gonna get out of here. This is amazingly simple. It is summer, so get out there, do something simple, make it yummy, use what you got. I'm going that way. I'll see you later.